Alright guys, what's up? Have a super interesting unboxing today for you. It's a Pitster Pro or GPX Moto TSE250R. This is the 250R two-stroke that a couple years ago it was styled like the 17 to 19 Huskies. Now it looks styled a little more like a KTM. I wanted to see one of these in person for a long time, wanted to ride one. So let's get it out of the box and see what it looks like. So all the Pitster Pros seem to ship in this steel crate inside of a cardboard box. Check that out. Even says Moto right there. What else do you need to know? Man, there's so much cool stuff to check out on this thing. All right, we'll take a second, pull it out of this crate and get a better look. All right, guys, here it is, the 2021, maybe the 2021 and a half GPX TSE250R two-stroke from Pitster Pro GPX. I'll be honest, guys, I don't know anything about these bikes besides I know a little bit about Pitster Pro small bikes. I was a dealer for them. Almost 10 years ago now. Sold a lot of their small bikes, but I never got to order one of the big ones, and I'm super intrigued. I must say, I think it looks good. It's like a play on the 14-15 KTM shroud with a little bit of Husky mixed in. The color scheme is great. It's got some cool stuff about it for sure. It comes with the skid plate with the link guard on it already, which is pretty cool. But then for some reason it doesn't even have a outer clutch cover. It's just a one-piece clutch cover, like a KX80 or like the old KX500s. And look at this kicker for I mean, it's a backup kicker, but still looks kind of weird. But they put the ribbing in the pipe like the new KTMs. It looks good. It's got the powder-coated black swing arm, black wheels, and supposedly these Enduro X wheels are new for 2021. They're supposed to be more durable or something. Got the headlight. I think it also comes with a regular front number plate as well. It's got a pretty nice bar pad. It's got like a carbon fiber weave look to it. Of course, it's got your computer on it, and it comes with mirrors and turn signals right out of the box, which we haven't put on. Obviously, it's electric start, backup kick. Here's your turn signals, horn. You got high beam, low beam, light flasher. Apparently, these forks are a little updated. It comes with push button air bleeders already on the forks, and then for your clickers, you can turn those by hand, which is cool. It is oil injected. A couple other things we noticed that were a little weird though, like this petcock sits kind of at an odd spot on the tank. So if you're sitting on the bike, it's almost like you could almost hit your leg on that petcock, or the petcock could grab something. I don't know, seems odd. Fuel filter there. The shift shaft comes out like 4 inches before it connects to the shifter. But the shifter's nice. It's CNC'd, which leads me to notice all the other CNC stuff. Like the triple clamps are CNC'd, painted black. The pegs are. There's a lot of stuff that doesn't seem like it's made of pot metal like it is on some of the other little Chinese pit bikes and stuff. So I don't know. We might have something really cool here. It's going to be tough without prepping it and hopping on it and putting a bunch of hours on it to really know how good of a bike it is, but I'm at least going to service it and ride it around the parking lot at some point, and I'll give you guys my thoughts. I'll take you on the ride with me, of course, and we'll see. It's interesting. Not sure about parts availability. So we just don't know. Check that out. Strong shock absorber. These look just like the Acerbis frame guards. They just seem to be a little flimsier. But overall, it's a cool bike. And it doesn't have to be as good as a KTM or Husky because it's half the cost. So, you know, if somebody's not 100% sure how much they're going to get to ride, or you know how extreme they're going to ride, this might be the bike for them. You can pick this up for $5,000 brand new. So, oh, and it's got the key already right there. I don't know, guys. We'll get this thing prepped up at some point and at least take you guys around the parking lot on a ride before it's gone. All right, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.